Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension is called ScreenR. ScreenR, the easiest way to capture screen and annotation tool in universe. ScreenR is the fastest screen capture and image annotation tool on Chrome. Don't waste time anyone putting arrows, highlighting areas and resizing your comments to make them visible with ScreenR. Instantly start typing your comment on a side panel next to your image and share your annotated screenshot in one click. It's the easiest way to communicate your image. So for this I have to add it to my extension, and this is the icon. ScreenR has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the tools. So I have clicked in here. Like this is the page of ScreenR. I mean, like you can capture any kinds of picture you would like to capture. So and then click in here and you can see ScreenR, archive, trash, copy link, logging or setup option are here. So here is the comment box. So if you click here, like I'm going to select this option, like this number is 1. I'm going to write ScreenR is helpful to me. And on the other hand, I've talked about overview. Here is written the overview options, and on the other hand, clicking the review option. So this is how you can comment and make a link, copy link to your collection. So if you want, you can remove it also. This is by clicking easily. So this is how actually it works. So let's click it here. Yes, continue publishing as a guest. So it has been copied, screenshot published and link copied to a clipboard. So this is how easily a ScreenR helps us to comment anywhere, anytime with a short time. So thanks for watching.